The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 have been officially announced, shifting the focus towards the upcoming Galaxy flagship phones, particularly the rumored Samsung Galaxy S25 model, which is expected to come with a significant change in its design. Samsung seems to be taking the redesign of their S-series phones seriously, with rumors suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will depart from the sharp corners of its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The latest leak from renowned Samsung insider Ice Universe hints at further modifications to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, specifically mentioning an asymmetrical design for the middle frame of the device. This asymmetrical design will feature a rounded shape near the back of the phone, while the part closer to the display will have a straighter edge, aiming to enhance the overall feel and ergonomics of the device, according to Ice Universe. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is considered one of the top smartphones available, but it's not the most comfortable to hold. Some users have complained about its sharp edges causing discomfort, while others find the large middle frame to be unappealing, making the phone appear wider than it actually is. Samsung is reportedly planning to address these issues by altering the shape of the sit rail and slimming it down to match the width of the Galaxy S24. Despite these changes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is not expected to be as thin as the Galaxy S24, which measures 7.6mm in width. However, at 8.4mm, it will still be thinner than the 8.6mm thick Galaxy S24 Ultra. The large middle frame of the S24 Ultra also gives the impression of extending the phone's bezels, making it hard to believe that the S24 Ultra's bezels are actually 42% slimmer than its predecessors, although this is indeed the case. Looking ahead to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it is anticipated that the bezels will appear even thinner, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the phone. Despite being 6 months away from release, the design of the S25 Ultra has reportedly been finalized, with the phone likely retaining its predecessor's flat screen. While the middle frame may seem like a minor detail, it can significantly impact the daily usability of a device, and Samsung should be commended for striving to perfect these small details. Apart from this, Samsung has recently unveiled its latest camera sensors, and it seems like one of them could potentially be the main camera for the upcoming Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Among the 3 new sensors announced, the ISOCELL GNG has caught our attention. With a 1/1 57-inch sensor size, it is comparable to the main camera sensor found in the previous S24 and S24 Plus models. Additionally, it features 1-micron pixels, similar to the sensor used in the S24 series. This suggests that Samsung might stick with a 50-megapixels main camera for the S25 series, without any major sensor changes. However, the ISOCELL GNG brings some exciting improvements. Samsung claims that it combines dual-pixel technology with an in-sensor zoom function, resulting in clearer footage in video mode and higher-resolution images without any artifacts or moire patterns in photo mode. Moreover, Samsung has made a few smaller changes to enhance the camera's performance. These include an improved anti-refractive layer and better pixel isolation material, which aim to improve light capture, reduce reflections, deliver more accurate shadows and dark areas, and enhance color reproduction. Not only does the ISOCELL GNG offer these improvements, but it also brings efficiency gains. Samsung states that it provides a 29% efficiency boost in preview mode and a 34% gain when shooting 4K videos at 60 fps. With these advancements, Samsung is ensuring that the camera experience on the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will be top-notch. Samsung also mentions that the JN5 supports 2x in-sensor zoom when used as a main camera and up to 6x in-sensor zoom when used as a 3x telephoto camera. Furthermore, the camera sensor supports a low-power always-on mode, enabling features like motion recognition through the selfie camera. Renowned tech tipster Sporandio4Tech has hinted at 2 significant sensor upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Firstly, the ultra-wide sensor may transition to a new 1/2 76-inch JN1 sensor. Although slightly smaller than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 1/2 55-inch sensor, this change could result in a remarkable resolution jump from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. Additionally, the 3x telephoto lens might receive an upgrade as well. According to the leak, it could feature a larger 1/3 inch ISOCELL sensor, surpassing the 1/3 52-inch sensor found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This upgrade could also bring about an increase in resolution from 10 megapixels to 50 megapixels. The tipster also hints at the development of new algorithms, although specific details remain undisclosed. These algorithms play a crucial role in smartphone photography, enhancing image quality and functionality beyond the capabilities of the physical camera hardware alone. Apart from this, there are plenty of exciting rumors swirling around the Galaxy S25. In addition to a fresh new look, Samsung's flagship phones for 2024 are anticipated to come with even more robust chips. While some speculations hint that the South Korean company might ditch its own chip in favor of a MediaTek one, others suggest that Samsung could be exploring this option for the first time in its history. A recent report indicates that certain models from the Galaxy S25 series, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, could be absolute gaming beasts. According to a new assertion from Chinese tipster digital chat station, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 boasts AI-driven frame generation technology akin to AMD's FSR and NVIDIA's DLSS. Thanks to this cutting-edge technology, the chip is said to be capable of running Genshin Impact at 1080p resolution and a silky smooth 120 frames per second. On the other hand, flagship phones equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip can handle Genshin Impact at 60 frames per second, with all graphics settings cranked up to the max. While AI-powered frame generation enhances game fluidity, it also introduces some drawbacks like increased input lag and graphical glitches. It remains to be seen how Qualcomm will address these issues with its upcoming flagship chip, set to be unveiled in October 2024. This technology may not be compatible with all games and will require developer support. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 boasts Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores and the Adreno 830 GPU, running at 935 MHz. The chip is reportedly manufactured using TSMC's 3nm process node, and rumors suggest it may come with a higher price tag compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It remains uncertain whether Samsung will reserve the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively for the Galaxy S25 Ultra or extend it to the standard and Plus versions of the Galaxy S25. If the chip lives up to the hype, the Galaxy S25 series could open the doors for AAA gaming titles such as Assassin's Creed, Mirage, and Resident Evil Village on Android devices, much like the S17 Pro did for the iPhone. It seems that the company may be doing away with the Plus model for 2025. Reports indicate that Samsung is actively working on the S25 series, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra already in development. According to Android headlines, the Galaxy S25 series will consist of only two models, the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It is claimed that there will be no Galaxy S25 Plus. This information is based on their database, which reportedly only shows the vanilla and Ultra models, with no sign of the Plus version. So, why would Samsung choose to skip the Galaxy S25 Plus? In recent years, it has been observed that those seeking a smaller device tend to opt for the vanilla model, while those in search of a larger device gravitate towards the Ultra variant. Consequently, very few people have been purchasing the Plus version. This could be one of the primary reasons behind Samsung's decision to forego the Galaxy S25 Plus. However, there may be more to the story. Each year, the differences between the vanilla model and the Plus variant seem to be diminishing. For instance, the only disparity between the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus is the latter's larger screen and higher screen resolution and bigger battery. The remaining specifications between the two models are identical. This could be another factor influencing Samsung's choice to skip the Galaxy S25 Plus. Regardless of the rationale, there will undoubtedly be some disappointment among consumers regarding Samsung's decision. Nevertheless, it is important to remember that nothing has been confirmed at this time. But what really excites us are the potential additions to the Galaxy Eye features. The S24 lineup introduced some impressive AI capabilities, and we can only imagine what Samsung has in store for the S25 Ultra. Will there be exclusive features for the higher-end model? Only time will tell. What features do you hope to see? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until then, take care and see you in the next one.